Hello everyone, welcome to our Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am your computer teacher. My name is Pooja Rajmane. What we studied? We studied our lesson number 2. What is the name of lesson? Input and processing device. Computer parts are divided into 3 devices. Which are they? Input device, output device and processing device. Now we will see what we were studied. Which are the main input devices? Keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse are main input devices. Firstly we will see keyboard. Keyboard, this is our keyboard, right? It having many keys on it, that's why it is called as a keyboard. And by using keyboard we are giving input to the keyboard, input to the computer, that's why keyboard is called as a input device. These A to Z letters are there, that's why it is called as a alphabet keys. By using that keys we can write alphabet or letters. This is numbers key. Numbers key are started from 0 to 9. There are also number keys. This is cursor keys. Left, right, up, down. If you want to go left, right, up, down, then we are using the cursor keys. And these upper side F1 to F12 are function keys. Right? Now next, special keys. First one is the enter key. Here you can see here enter key. Here enter keys are 2. Here is also enter key and here is also enter key. Next key is a space bar. Longest key is called as a space bar. What is the use of space bar? For giving space we are using the space bar. Next is a backspace key. Where is the backspace key? Yes, here is the backspace key. Right? Now next is which key? Delete key. Where you can see the delete key? Delete key is here also and here also. If you want to delete, then we are using the delete key. Next, tab. Where is the tab key? Tab key is here. Right? Next, caps lock key. Where is the caps lock key? Here is the caps lock key. We was saw function of these keys, means what is the use of that keys we was studied. Now next is a mouse. Mouse is also input device. Why mouse is an input device and why it is called as a mouse? Mouse's name is depends on its shape. This name is derived from its shape. Right? Mouse having different types. First is a mouse 2 buttons, scroll with mouse with scroll bar, mouse with a single click, cordless mouse, optical mouse and mouse with a 3 buttons. This is wired mouse. It having 3 buttons. This is cordless mouse. It also having 3 buttons. Left button, right button, scroll button. Firstly we will see how to hold the mouse. This is our hand. Which hand it is? Left hand or right hand? It is right hand. We have to keep our thumb here and our first finger on left button and our middle finger is on right button and remaining 2 finger like that. We must have to hold mouse like that. Now we will see our next how a mouse is operated. How to operate the mouse? Mouse has 4 actions. Which are they? Single click. What do you mean by single click? Single click means when you press and release the mouse left button only once. Mouse left button only once we have to press and release. Then what happens? Left click is used to select icon, file or folder. We will see. This is one folder and we have to press only one time mouse. Then what happened? It is selected. You can see difference. It is selected means it is dark. It is selected. What is the use of left button? If you want to select only, then we are using the left button, how only we have to press one time only. Press one time. You can see the difference. Only one time. Right? Now next action is which? Double click. You only see what happen when I click the two times. We must have to press mouse left button only, but continuously twice. Continuously two times. What happen? This folder is open. Right? We will see once again. When you press and release the mouse left button twice in rapid section, means continuously you have to press mouse left button, not only one time, continuously two times. Then what happens? This folder or program or file is open. It is called as a double click. Continuously two times. Next, right click. Next is a right click. When I press the right button, then you can see this type of icon. Then what is the use of these icons? If you want to open one folder, then shortly, means in short time, we can open file, folder. And if you want to open the Microsoft Office, means PowerPoint, Word document, accessories, then in shortly we can open by using the mouse left button. Here we have to press only one time mouse right button. Then you can get the options. You can see here folder. This type of options are there. Next, drag and drop. It means when you press the mouse left button and holding it down and move mouse to drag the select object and release the mouse button, means if I want this folder, where is this folder? Here. I want this folder here. Then I must have to click it by using which button? Left button, and continuously I take this folder here, and here we have to drop, drag and drop. Then we can change the position of this folder, file, anything. This is one there. What we have to do? We have to first click the mouse left button and press it, and here drag and here drop. Then this folder or file change their position. The option of pressing and releasing of mouse button will work for the program called print, which will help you to draw a paint, where we are using this mostly in paint. If you want to draw something in paint, then we are using mostly see this is, and if you want to write, then we are using continuously. We have to press the mouse left button and draw. There we are using in paint. This program is called paint, which is helpful for the paint option. Next, same like keyboard and mouse, there are different input devices. Which are they? First is a scanner. What is the use of scanner? Scanner is an input device. Why it is input device? Because by using scanner we are giving input to the computer. That's why scanner is an input device. If you want to scan document, picture or images and text also, then scanner is useful. This is displayed on the computer screen. When we scan something, means it is image, picture or text, By using scanner, then what we scan is displayed on the monitor screen. Next is the microphone. What is the use of microphone? Microphone is an input device which can be attached to the computer to record a sound. If you want to record our sound and if you want to listen it afterwards, then we must have to record it, we must have to store it. By using microphone, we can record our sound. Next is a light pen. Light pen is also input device, and light pen is a pointing input device. It is used for drawing and writing on the computer screen without typing. If you want to draw or if you want to write something directly on the computer, then we are using the light pen. Next is a joystick. What is the use of joystick? Joystick is also input device. It is used as a game controller for the computer game. Everyone like to play game. If you want to play game, then joystick is useful for control the computer games. Next, trackball. Trackball is a pointing device consisting of a ball, movement or rotation of ball moving the cursor. It is pointing input device mostly used with portable computers. Trackball. Trackball is a pointing device consisting of ball, moving or rotation of ball move the cursor. If we move this ball, then cursor will move. It is pointing input device mostly used with portable computer. Touch screen. This input device has touch sensitive display screen. One can use a stools which help with a pen to write on the surface of small touch screen. Means how we are using the touch screen mobile. Like that there is one type of device, and by using that or by using pen we can operate it on the small surface. We will see how light pen is useful, how light pen is work. This is light pen. We will see how to operate. This is pencil. We must have to select it, and black color is always selected, and we will write. Okay, understand use of light pen. Now we will see our next device. It is processing device. Computer parts are divided into three parts, which are the input device, processing device and output device. Now we studied input device. Now we will see processing device. What is mean by processing? What is the use of processing devices, and which are the processing device? Which is the processing device? The work done on the instructions, input data given to the computer is called processing. Means what? Computer is taking input and input in the form of instruction. Means input is numbers, letters. Processing device process on that input data and it gives the output to the output devices. Means what is the use of processing device? It is process on the input. We will see one example. If you want to add two numbers, if you want to calculate two numbers, means addition of two numbers, which are the 5 and 6. We will see how we will get the output. Firstly, we have to press 5. Afterwards, we have to add. Then we must have to click the plus button. Then 6. Then equal to. What output we will get? It is 11. Then who is done? This is 5 plus 6. It is input. And what output is? What output is 11. Then who calculate this output? Which device is useful for calculating? Yes, right, CPU. What is the long form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. In that name there is a processing. Means CPU is which type of device? Processing device. Computer having 4 main parts. Which are they? Keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitor. In that keyboard and mouse are input device, and CPU, Central Processing Unit, it is processing device. Everything is calculating in or processing in CPU only, and we will see the output on the where? Monitor. That's why monitor is output device. We will see this afterwards. Now next is a Central Processing Unit, means C. Here is the CPU. CPU is the processing device and it is known as the brain of computer. Why it is known as brain of computer? Because everything, if we are giving input, then it is stored in a CPU, calculate in a CPU, and CPU is only giving output on the CPU is giving output to the output devices. That's why CPU is called as the brain of computer. It is most important part of the computer. CPU process all the instruction given to the computer through input devices. Now only I told what is doing exactly CPU. CPU is calculating all the instructions given through the input devices. And CPU has a 3 parts. Which are they? ALU means what? A means arithmetic, L means logic, U means unit. CPU has 3 parts. Which are they? ALU, CU and MU. ALU means arithmetic and logical unit. CU means control unit and MU means memory unit. CPU is processing device. CPU is calculating everything what we are giving input, and CPU is divided into 3 parts: ALU, CU and MU. The interior of the CPU. What is inside the CPU that we cannot see from outside? First is a hard disk. You can see this. First is a hard disk. It is look like this. Hard disk. What is the use of CPU? Hard disk. Sorry, what is the use of hard disk? We will see. Hard disk store data permanently. It store the data permanently, not for some time. It store the data permanently for longer time. It has a capacity to store data much more than the pen drive. It is scaled inside the hard disk, hard drive. It is scaled inside the hard drive. Next is a memory card. What is the use of memory card to the CPU? Memory card is a type of storage device that is used for storing the data, media and file. What is the use of memory card? To store data, media and file. Next is the motherboard. Motherboard is like a mother to all of the other circuit board. It is main circuit board of the computer. All the computers and parts are fixed and connected on the motherboard. It hold all of the most important parts of the computer. It is also called as a system board. Motherboard is also called as a system board. Next is a CD drive. CD drive is a removable media storage. It is known as CD-ROM drive. CD-R device allows us to record information on the compact disk to store data or store file. Next is a power switch. Where it is power switch? Power switch is useful for the start the computer, and where it is? It is on the CPU, right? What we saw? We saw processing device. And what is the use of processing device? How exactly processing device work? Processing device process or it work done on the instruction input data given to the computer. Now we will see our skill sheet, page number 5. What is first number question? Match the following device with their correct name. This is pictures of devices and this is name. Then we have to match the pairs. First one is a what? What is this? Mouse. Where it is mouse? This is scanner, light pen, touch screen, joystick, keyboard, microphone, trackball, mouse. First one is a, what is the answer of first one? What is the answer of first one? Mouse. Then what is the number of mouse? H. Then H. What is this? What is right? It is keyboard. What is the number is? What is the number of keyboard? Second. Okay. And where it is keyboard? Scanner, light pen, touch screen, joystick, keyboard. What is here? E. Then E. We will write here E. Next, what is this? Right, it is scanner. Here number is 3. Where is the scanner? First number is only scanner. Then we will write here A. Next, what is this? First we will write number, which is it is fourth number, and what is this? Right, it is microphone. Where it is microphone? F. Then we will write here F. What is this? Fifth number? Right, good. Joystick. What is the use of joystick? For playing game on the computer. Here, joystick. D. Next one is, what is this? Sixth one? Trackball. Here 6 and here G. It is G. Trackball. What is this? Seventh number? Right. It is light pen. What is the number of light pen? B. Next, 8th number is touch screen. It is C. Understand? First one is a what? Mouse, keyboard, scanner, microphone, joystick, trackball, then light pen, and then touch screen. Okay. Now next, page number 6. Select the correct option for each of the following. We have to select and we have to write the correct option. Dash dash is the instruction given to the computer to the specific job. Dash dash is the instruction given to a specific job, input or output. Who is giving instruction? Input or output? It is input. Then we will write here input. What is the correct answer? Input. 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 Next is the second one. The button on the keyboard are called symbols or keys. Buttons on the keyboard are called symbols or keys. What we call? Right, keys. K-E-Y-S. K-E-Y-S. Keys. A pointer is an dash dash on the computer screen. Pointer is mouse or arrow. Pointer is mouse or arrow. Pointer is, what do you call pointer on the computer screen? Arrow. What is the spelling of arrow? A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. A dash dash is attached to the computer to record sound. Microphone or light pen. Microphone is attached for the computer to record, or light pen is useful for the recording. Yes, good. What we are using for recording? Microphone. What is the spelling of microphone? M-I-C-R-O-P-H-O-N-E. Microphone. Next is the dash dash is used as a game controller for computer game. Game controller, trackball or joystick? Which is the game controller? Right, joystick. What is the spelling of joystick? J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K. Joystick. J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K. Joystick. And our last number, fill in the blanks. The CPU is dash dash of computer. Brain or unit? CPU is what? Brain of computer or unit of computer? Good. CPU is the brain of computer. CPU is the brain of computer. First we will see input is the instruction given to the computer to the specific job. Second one, the buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Third one, pointer is an arrow on the computer screen. Fourth one, a microphone is attached to the computer to record sound. Fifth one, the joystick is used as a game controller for the computer game. And last one, CPU is the brain of computer. Now, what is the homework for you? You have to read the hard words. You have to read the chapter number 2nd. What is the name of chapter? Input and processing device. You have to read the chapter and you have to find out the hard words and try to read these words also. Thank you.